Hello, I'm Christian Pelletier from Portable Winch. Today I'll show you our off-road or hunting accessory kit during this tour. We'll see what we have. So whether you're a hunter or you're moving around in the forest on a mountain bike, in a side-by-side, even in a van, it can be a nice little kit to have with you when you use another eye. The first accessory in the kit is the pulley. In the forest, it's practical to have pulleys, especially for creating a mechanical advantage to double the pulling force. So with one of our winches, if you have a pulley, you can double it. If you already have an accessorized winch in which there is a pulley, you therefore have two pulleys. You are thus able to triple the pulling force. It can also enable deflecting a load, making it highly practical in the forest. Additionally, we possess the anchor plate designed for the tow ball. Actually, this plate enables us to connect the winch directly to the ball, regardless of whether it's on an ATV or a pickup truck. So it is extremely simple to use. We hang the two red anchor hooks on the plate and then insert it onto the ball, making it a hassle-free process. So it has the capability to allow us to pull a load, hoist a load towards our vehicle, or hoist the vehicle towards a fixed point, providing us with versatile functionality. Following that, we have the polyethylene cable Strangler, a device utilized for securing and tightening cables in place, made specifically from polyethylene material. It is highly resistant. It possesses the identical level of resistance as a chain, but is significantly lighter in weight. For hunters who travel long distances, it is fascinating to have this type of choke because it enables us to strangle our game and attach the flat hook, which will be installed on the chain links and connected to the end of the rope, making it very interesting and convenient for hunters during their expeditions. So we can work with great ease. Ultimately, we possess the carabiner and the lines that enable us to securely fasten the pulley I mentioned earlier on. So with all these accessories, once you are in the forest, in addition to the essential accessories that come with the accessorized loans, you will be very well served and you will be able to get out of pretty much any mess. I hope this small capsule has been useful to you. If you have any additional questions, we welcome you to get in touch with us via email, chat, or by phone. We will be delighted to respond to them. I wish you a pleasant conclusion to the day.